What's up, guys? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Thought I'd get a quick drive of the 2020 Impala. I know I did a little video yesterday, and I promised I would drive it today. Let's see. Well, where the hell's the key to Lexus? I'm bumming the Lexus today. Man, this car drives so good. Alright, just wanted to get my water. Let's take this little baby for a test drive. Power seats. Man, it smells like a new car in here. It smells like a new car. New car. There's the key fob. Typical GM switchblade key. Looks like it does have remote start. Alright. Good. Manual tilting steering wheel. It shows I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, which I will figure I would have had. No, it says no devices connected. It acted like I was connected to the Wi-Fi, but that was a false bling. Man, this is a big car. Man, this jogger's long. I'll tell you what, just backing out of the driveway, I tell you, this thing is screwed together pretty good. Got a nice, firm ride. We don't have any gas. Let's see how much we do have. I would like to find a miles to empty. Averaging almost 26 miles per gallon. They drove down from Asheville, North Carolina to here. Got to do an oil change pretty soon. 18% left. That right front tire is just a little low, but that could be a false read. Oh man, it's nice. Got your coolant temp, and then of course your speedometer there. This is a very well put together car. Man, I really do like this. Gonna have me on the hunt for an Impala. Got a little wheel spin. Yeah, this V6, someone commented that it had 305 horsepower. I think I remembered looking that up, and that sounded correct. Yeah, it's a sweet little engine. It's got plenty get up and go. Oh, this is a pretty nice car. I just noticed it has heated steering wheel. So the trim level above this, I would imagine, would be LTZ maybe, because this is an LT car, and it's got heated seats and heated steering wheel, but the seats are not a full leather. They're a vinyl or a leather and textile combination, which I actually kind of like. I'm not a huge fan of full leather seats anyway, just because they're hot as hell in the summer and cold as shit in the winter. So this LT is really pretty well equipped. This is exactly how I would probably want one for myself. You know, with the nice alloy wheels, you know, just your basic, you know, GM touchscreen with the Wi-Fi and XM radio, dual zone climate control. I mean, that's all good stuff. Okay, we got a cigarette lighter accessory port down there. Got a USB, it looks like, running out of this console. Oh yeah, got a double tiered console. Now that I know a little bit about the engine, I didn't even check to see what the damn transmission has. It has these little buttons on the top for doing manual shifting. She is quick. Wow. That was 50% throttle. Okay, so it's a 6-speed. Okay. We'll get a good 0 to 60 up there. I just wanted to manually shift through the gears and see how many it had. Oh, this thing's so quiet. Listen. Well screwed together, man. GM got this car right. And I guess they're probably getting ready to can the damn thing. But it is very, very smooth. Plenty to go. Plenty to go. Brakes have a nice firm pedal, good modulation. Ooh, I like those. They feel good. A little bit of torque steer, not too bad. Hauls ass. Definitely hauls ass. Ooh, wee. Really is a shame you don't see more of these on the road, because this is really a good car. Super comfortable. But I will say these seats are small. I mean, it is comfortable, but I feel like I'm sitting in a GTI seat. That's the only thing I'm a little unsure about, is the seat. You know, how would I be on a long trip? I may want to be a passenger in the back seat. The steering weights up nicely, and I can actually feel a little road feel in here. It's a little numbed up, but yeah, I can feel a little bit. But it's got a great weight to it. Just a cool sedan, big sedan. That back seat is freaking huge. Well, guys, I told you I'd get a little drive, and there you have it. The 2020 Chevrolet Impala LT V6. Sweet little car. I really like it. I'd buy it. I'd buy this before I'd buy an Altima or a Camry. Would I buy it over a Honda Accord? I don't know. I haven't driven the new Accord, but we all know that's a damn good car, so that'd be a tough call. I'm sure they're the same money. This is a bigger car, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Anyway, y'all have a good Sunday and a great week. Like, subscribe, comment. I read all comments. Y'all have a great one. We'll see you next time. Peace.